Day one for Army Recognition editorial team at DSCI 2017, the International Defence and Security Exhibitions, which takes place in London, United Kingdom. This event is not only dedicated for the land military solution, but also for the military equipment dedicated for the aerial security and maritime services.
Works is responsible for the Skywall counter-drone systems, okay? So they're systems that can be used by a security operator to defend against errant drones. We have a handheld system that's a field-proven technology called Skywall 100, and we're here at DSCI this week launching our Skywall 300 system. That's an automated, remotely operated system, which is behind us here. So our Skywall core technology is the ability to physically capture a drone in a net, okay? So no use of electronic countermeasures, so we physically launch a net up to a drone, capture it, and then control its descent. Our handheld system launches the net projectile. That's hand operated. It has a targeting system that can be deployed from a vehicle or remote operation. The turret system behind us here, this can be vehicle mounted or building mounted. So we have an intelligent projectile that's actually programmed to go after the drone and deploy the net at exactly the right time to capture it, okay? So that's launched from this launching system here. We have a targeting system, an automated threat identification and tracking, and this cluster here is the infrared cameras and the daylight cameras and lasers that we use to actually track the target. And then of course the rest of the turret is there to both track and then aim for the net capture. Skywall 100 system now is a proven product, field proven. We've delivered systems to both law enforcement and military customers in Asia and North America and Europe. So it's a system that is it's very simple to use. It's one person operated. You fit the system onto your shoulder, you lock onto a target drone using a smart scope, and then you pull the trigger, the projectile flies up to the drone, captures it, and then brings it down under a parachute. It's a unique system. It's the only one of its kind in the world.
We've got high levels of blast protection, which allows the driver and commander and two in the rear to be able to operate safely and also have full access to their radio equipment and communicate with the rest of their
DSCI 2017, Turkey has a very important presence. With not less than 28 companies, the Turkish pavilion, organized by SSM, the Under-Secretariat for Defense Industry, is one of the biggest of the show.
DSCI, we are presenting our 8x8 vehicle, Arma, and welcoming all guests from all parts of the world. DSCI is a very important show for us, where it gathers different users from all parts of the world. And we had the opportunity to show our Arma 8x8 vehicle this time in DSCI. For the first time, it's been displayed in UK. Arma is in service for the last 4 years in different parts of the world and displays its capability of protection, mobility and firepower in real conditions. So we had the opportunity to show our users our 8x8s here. More than that, as Autocar, we have a big portfolio of armored vehicles, starting from 6 tons of 4x4 up to tracked vehicles. So for the users who are in need of different types of vehicles, we offer and discuss here in the DSCI their requirements and our technical solutions to them.
This Turkish Armed Forces Foundation Company, established in 1982, serving for the Turkish Army, foreign countries, armies, government institution for the last 35 years. We have combat management system for different platforms, sea platforms, subsurface platforms, and air platforms. One of the major project is our national corvette project. We provided combat management system for 2 of them, and 2 of them will be operational in coming years. And also training and simulation technologies. We have solutions for all kinds of different platforms. There are like 55 different simulators in Turkey, and 48 of them has been delivered by Havelsan. We have also cybersecurity and IT solutions for government institutes and companies. And the other thing is our situational awareness solution for our army. We work with the foreign-friendly countries for combat management, training and simulation, and homeland security. We have also established Cyber Operations Center in our facilities to serve our government and institutes.
Rol Makine attends the DSCI exhibition for the first time this year. We brought 2 of our vehicles. One of them is Ejder Yalçın, we call it. It's a heavy armored combat vehicle. We have been delivering this product since 2012. We have already sold 500 vehicles to mainly Turkish Army, Turkish Special Forces elite units. It is designed and developed for the high-risk combat areas. We offer the highest mobility, highest protection level for the staff, and highest lethality against the enemy. We have proven this vehicle not only in Turkey, but realized several field tests in different countries in very different environments, which includes desert areas or high mountainous places. So far, we have exported to 1 African country, and we are expected to deal a couple of new contracts by the end of this year. The second vehicle at the show is NMS 4x4. We have introduced this vehicle for the first time this year in IDEF exhibition in Istanbul. This product is still under development. We are making the qualification test right now. It will be over in the first Q1 of next year, actually. This product will bring it will be a game changer, we believe. It will offer higher speed, first of all, in this segment. There is a modularity in terms of its protection level. The base vehicle will have level 3, but we will be offering level 4 protection with some add-on armors in this vehicle. And we provide higher terrain, all-terrain performance with this vehicle as well. So probably the next year we will be showing the first videos with our customers.
My company, Rol Technology Incorporation, is an armor manufacturer. I'm working as marketing director. My name is Metin Tüfekçi, and mostly my company manufacturing ceramics, composites, and the ballistic solutions for personal protection and air vehicles, land vehicles, and sea vehicles armoring. We have many contracts in our area and international projects we have, and we finalize most of the projects very successfully. Therefore, we are in the one important player in the armor market.
Thais is the combination of 5 big shipyards, which is located in Turkey. The name of these shipyards is Selah Shipyard, Sefine Shipyard, Sedef Shipyard, Anadolu Shipyard, and Istanbul Shipyard. We are producing many ships for the Turkish Navy. If we want to introduce some of our ships, we can shortly give brief about our LHD ship. It's a very big ship. It's right now being built by Sedef Shipyard. The construction process is going on. We expect to complete this ship in 2021. We are hoping the ship will be ready until that time. All the ships actually that you see on our boat is not generic ships. They were already delivered to Turkish Navy, most of them, and some of them are being delivered. This ship was built actually by Istanbul Shipyard. This is the rescue ship, so it's really important for the Turkish submarines. It was delivered to the Turkish Navy approximately 5 months ago, and it's operational, and the users' feedback are really good for us. We make some corrections to all the ships depending on the customer feedbacks. It's operational right now. This is also a very important capability for our Navy.
OSA is a cluster like an NGO, and we are aiming to be an interface between OEMs, government, Tier 1, Tier 2 companies, also for SMEs. We are representing SMEs actually. We have 191 member companies. they have different capabilities like machining companies, molding, casting, cabling, electronic, and they also manufacturing products. So what we do actually, we are trying to help our members they complete their needs. Like we do some governmental funds from Ministry of Economy, and we give these funds to the companies, like being in the bridge and helping them. And we also have an event. It's an international one, and it's being supported by SSM, government body in Turkey. And we are inviting the buyers.
We are supporter of the main platform producer in Turkey in defense and aviation industry. We have a capability matrix like this. There are many companies here and their capabilities. All of them international and also has a quality like a platform producer.
Hi, YDS Yakupoğlu Company. We are established in 1927. We have 3 different factories where we produce textile garments for military garments and police garments with technical textiles. We do have a footwear factory as well, and we supply to more than 50 countries, militaries. And the third one is for tents. We do technical tents. We supply to UK Army as well for 15 years. We are quite happy to work with them. We supply to Royal Mail and police and firemen in UK as well. We do have a company in Leeds, and we have a big warehouse in UK. So we have our sales team as well. We have the biggest capacity in Middle East and Europe in our market. Capacity-wise, we have a big strength, and we are very strong in Middle East, Europe, and Africa. Our biggest strength is our competitiveness and our speed and our capacity. So we have the biggest capacity in our region, and we have the best technology, the high-tech technology in our market.
BMC is actually a design and manufacturing organization offering its clients in various capacity of armored vehicles and non-armored military vehicles as well. At DSEI 2017, BMC is actually meeting with its existing clients and also potential ones, and introducing and launching a new series of armored vehicles, new family members, Amazon. That's a great show that gave us an opportunity to get together with the clients from different corners of the world. I think it's a great opportunity also better extending our message, which is actually BMC's the excellent and outstanding engineering capacity, manufacturing quality measures, and also global expansion.
We are here to show our vehicles and what is our capability for customization to our customer, and we are here to first show our Hızır vehicle, which is mine protected and against the bullet. So 9 people can carry for army. Mainly this vehicle is built for all European countries. So another vehicle we produce an ambulance, and also other vehicle is armored personnel carrier. So we are here to show all the vehicles to our customers.
Makine Kimya Endüstrisi Kurumu.
MKK, Mechanical and Chemical Industries Corporation, is one of the main defense industries in Turkey, dating back 200 years of history and producing mainly for Turkish MOD, police and defense forces, as well as exporting all around the world. We can group our production mainly in 4 groups. It's ammunition, weapons, rockets and pyrotechnics. Our production range differs between small calibers to the large ones. If you want to give the example, it starts from 5mm, it goes up to 155 caliber, and it covers also airplane bombs and penetrator bombs, bunker busters. When we look to our turnover, we can say that we are exporting 1/3 of our turnover to other countries, and 2/3 is for internal market, mainly Turkish MOD. DSCI is a very important exhibition for us because here we can meet with our customers and we can really have very important and decision-making point meetings with our customers, as well as presenting our new products to the market.
Additionally, I say something is that MKK has a good experience. For that reason, we are not only just manufacturer. For that reason, our capabilities to reflect our technologies is other countries. For that reason, MKK has a lot of project at that moment. For that reason, we are here to contact the other countries and other companies also.
I am the Deputy Minister for National Defense, Turkey, and I'm also representing the delegation as the head of the delegation. We are here as a very strong delegation today in this fair because the UK is not only a strategic partner for us, but also it is a strategic alliance that we share together. We have a strong cooperation in terms of defense between two countries. Therefore, we give so much importance to this fair, and we attended as a very strong delegation. Also, we have a representation from 30 different companies and institutions from Turkey, such as the Undersecretariat of Defense Industries and Defense Industries Union. And here in this fair, we are aiming to find how to exchange the skills and capabilities of the firms and how to transfer technologies between our firms and the other firms in this fair. Of course, we believe that under the presidency of Mr. Recep Tayyip Erdogan, we are now stronger to have a strong standpoint in this sector with the provisions of the resources of the East. And in the recent years, we have improved Turkey's capabilities and skills in this sector. Before 2000s, early 2000s, it wasn't that robust, but now in the sector we have an enhancement. We have an expansion in the sector for $5 billion, and our export percentage is even expanded more. Therefore, I can say that before early 2000s, compared to early 2000s, we are, as Turkey, here with indigenous designing, indigenous manufacturing and co-development. Also, as Turkey, we have 3 Turkish companies who are in the first 100 firms and companies worldwide, which are called TAI, Aselsan and Roketsan. We also have important projects with the UK. One of them is the TFX, because we have an important agenda until 2023, which is going to be the 100th anniversary of the foundation of Turkish Republic. Therefore, we are looking forward to concluding all these great projects and initiatives until that date.